Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do this everyday beginner-friendly smoky eyes, and nice thing about it is you don't even need makeup brushes. You can blend with your fingers. It is so simple and gets done so quickly. So if you're ready, let's begin. The first thing that you'll need is a brown eye pencil that's at least 2 shades deeper than your skin tone. I'm using this one from Colourpop. It came as a set. I think the set is called Star-Crossed Colors. I'm going to link that set in the description box below, but all you have to do with the brown eye pencil is connect your lash line with your crease, drawing an outer C. Because I have hooded eyes, my crease is very low, so I'm connecting my socket with my lash line, but either or, you can either connect your crease or your socket line. And all you have to do is with your finger, push the color outwards. That gives you that feathered out look. And if you want to intensify the color further, you can go for another round of C with the same pencil, and again repeat the same step of pushing the color outwards. And then I'm going to use that eye pencil in the outer third of my lower lash line and smudge it again with my finger. And while I smudge it, I will drag it all the way to the center of my lash line. That way it's deepest in the outer corner because that's where we applied the eye pencil. And then as it comes to the center of the lower lash line, it becomes lighter. Next, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil. This is from Jordana. It's called the Easy Liner in black. I'm going to use it in the outer third of my upper and lower lash line. And again, I'm going to smudge it with my finger, and I'm going to connect my upper and lower lash lines. As you can see, it already looks so pretty, so smoked out in itself, but we will add some brightness now, and for that I will need a nude eye pencil. You can also use a highlighter pencil. The one I'll be using is Honey Dude from Colourpop. I'm going to first use it below the arch of my brow and then in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to blend both with my finger. To keep things simple, I'm going to skip applying anything in my waterline to keep my eyes looking bright. You can also go with a nude eye pencil to keep it bright, or you can go with a black eye pencil to intensify it. I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara. The one that I'm using is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And here's the completed look. So simple yet so elegant, ideal for your work, everyday, college, school, what have you, and gets done so quick because you're not even using brushes. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by commenting below, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new here. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I've listed everything that I've used in this tutorial in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my socials there if you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Sunday with a brand new one. Bye guys. I think you're better with that.